can go both of them if we hit both angles.
Will probably be a straightforward replacement on an electric strike. If the boss did well, he ordered an exact swap of the exact same part.
I suppose neither of them matter then, because these are both blue.
AC.
Yeah, it's AC, that's right.
Yeah. If it's DC, you gotta make sure you get your positive to positive, your negative to negative. But when you're using an AC source, you're not gonna have to change the faceplate. Boss did real good.
Nope.
You ordered it faceplate and all.
That's kind of why I just went to the main breaker there. Okay, dummy. I need a hand.
Just about to get one.
Thank you, sir.
Let's see.
Well, these, hopefully these aren't too big, but
As well as on there. If they're too big, it was the issue all along.
well, yeah, they're too large.
Well, that or you just haven't. There's more twisted onto each other.
Maybe it's because I was twisting it the wrong way because I'm stupid. It is just like a screw. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah, I have to.
I'm also not an electrician, people. Don't judge me.
I also have those leftover cheating contact users that we use for the.
Hey, brother. People normally are shocked when they find out I'm not a very good electrician.
Well,
Waka, waka, waka.
long time since I hit one actually potentially go smooth as it goes.
Fidgety hands. And it's the inferior screw anyway. Nobody uses slotted screw heads anymore.
You say the Phillips is inferior to the square.
And then they say the star or the square is inferior to the star. Or Torx or whatever. Here,
Yeah.
since we have a lovely member here that can test his key already.
I was under that assumption that you would be able to.
Ooh.
The keypad's not working again.
Not too working. Let us see.
Might be time for him to replace that reader.
The reader's under warranty, they said. And I didn't bring a wrench with me. So I need to go get a wrench.
Still got the card on.
I do.
Were you telling me to get you a beer?
I was just we were gonna order. Is it once you get it
I
to
just want to see if it was quiet. Sometimes you just don't.
well, that's
hear
why
it.
I was doing
didn't
it,
see
yeah.
actually.
Is it actually clicking though?
Let me make sure it's on.
Well, that'd be a good place to start. If you can turn it off up there, that'd be a problem.
I didn't know that that was an option.
Okay, I'd be surprised they had a way to turn it off.
It's on for sure.
Well, see what we're on. Can I put a cheeseburger and french fry order in whenever you get time?
Yeah. What all do you want on it?
Mayonnaise and ketchup?
Just mayonnaise and ketchup? American or pepper jack cheese?
American?
And you said fries?
Please.
Let me get a piece of paper.
Not a
You
problem.
got it. Oh, that's why. That's new. Your tab's busted. The tab that pushes this button is busted. So it is the reader. That is new.
Where did you want?
Half-pound hamburger, pickles and onions only. I'm good with chips.
Hamburger?
Yep, no cheese.
If he pushes the button, you'll see the strike does its thing. Our strike now works, but he has another issue on the...
Let's see, here's the thing. So I've got our... Yeah. Yeah, and the spring, and this is the spring that pushes it back.
Backwards.
So now you have another issue.
If that's under warranty.
He said that it was less than 2 years old, was from what I was talking to Mark Smallman, who is the SAL commander. No, he's not. I can't remember what he is, but he's somebody here. And then it just dropped. Where did it go?
Onto the carpet off of my foot, and then who knows from there.
Well, it's not going to work anyway, because there's no way for me to reattach that.
Yeah, I just want to be able to show them the broken piece. I like to be able to hand people broken pieces. This isn't a place where it's as big a deal because they'll believe us, but there's some places you gotta fucking put the kind of thing
And I
broken
see-
piece in their hand.
Well, I mean, there's the rest of it. It's bolted on. So it's that bolts down to this, and then it bends over, and what it did was it just broke off this side right here. Because all this is just supposed to
You
push
need
the little
either just a
thing.
new piece of that, or what you really need is just new top one of them.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably what they replaced. That looks too old to have been completely new, but maybe. It may only be 2 years old.
I don't know. All right, well, we figured out what's wrong.